With Russia losing a lot of equipment on the front line, it's Ukraine's drone army's job to clean it up, making sure Russia can't repair anything and reduce their overall storage numbers, with a Russian vehicle driving to retrieve a damaged BTR vehicle. Ukraine's drone army couldn't let that happen. With the new vehicle being non-armored, the drone makes easy work of the vehicle, which catches fire, which spreads over to the BTR, completely destroying both vehicles, leaving two less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.